masikip yung laban. Pero nung sumapa na ng third to fourth, nalimitahan ng scoring ng inyong kapunan. Sa tingin mo, ano yung naging problema?
Sa execution namin, turnovers, shots. They also got their offensive rhythm with minutes against games. Dito yung makarita. A lot of things.
Para po sa game ko, anong adjustment ang gagawin ninyo para makabawi?
Kailangan namin mag-rebound, kailangan namin yung depensa. Iba-ibahin yung mga depensa at superstar nila. Rebound talaga. Execute better, make shots. Energy sana.
Chris, kamusta pagbabalik playing court?
Masaya naman. Masaya yung brotherhood, yung competition. Sana lang mas nakahanda ako sa medyo hirap yung katawan dahil matagal na sa bakante. Tapos ngayon na ulit. So, tayo yung injuries. So, pero para sa school naman so, kahit na naman yung support ng alumni sa school namin, students, diba? Malaking bagay kasi sa community namin sa basketball. Kaya, try to help the team.
Last time, teammate kayo ni James. Right now, rival kayo. Finals dito. How was it?
Ganun pa rin si James. Napagbabago. Spot on pa rin. Galaw niya na makadami. Hirap ng tayo.
Chris,
I haven't seen the motion in a long time. This year, unfortunately, pabilang kami, team. Basketball, nakita mo ito, minsan teammate. Kami rin sila, Kenbon, kalaban sa UAP, sa Canada.
Chris, how is playing in an era that's contemporary of James Yap? How is playing in an era that's contemporary of James Yap?
I was able to witness greatness first time. Able to compete against him and with him at his prime. Teammates, not just in Rainier Shine, but even in the national teams, Asian Games in 2018, naging teammates and kami for Gilas. China also against him, maganda rin yung compete sa pinakamagaling na offensively sa Pilipinas, diba? Level ng competition, taas.